For this easy cooking project, you're going to need your syrup, your bananas, your egg whites, your cinnamon, your ground nutmeg, a measuring cup, 1/4, and butter.
Coach Glenn.
And I'm Ms. Drum. We're the instructors here at Brainerd Park, located at 1246 West 92nd Street.
And today we're going to make healthy-hearted banana pancakes.
Let's jump right in. You guys ready?
Woo-hoo!
You're going to take your fresh banana and break it apart so it's easier for you to mush when you get ready to. And here you're going to mush. After you finish mushing, add 1/4 cup of egg whites, a dash of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg. On your griddle, make sure that the heat is set to medium and add 2 butter spots and place your cookie cutters on top of those. Then pour in your mixture of your egg whites, your bananas, your dash of cinnamon, and your dash of nutmeg into both cookie cutter molds. Make sure that they're evenly saturated with the mixture. That smells good. Oh my God, this smells great. You're gonna let these cook for 5 minutes on each side and take your time. When they're ready to be turned over, flip them over and cook for 5 more minutes. Thanks, Coach Glenn. Once the pancakes finish cooking, remove the cookie cutter. And you can place it on your plate. And voila, there you have it. Healthy heart banana pancakes. And here you're just gonna take a little syrup, because you can't have too much, and drizzle it over. You can't have pancakes without a little syrup.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this activity
And are looking for more things to do at home,
stay connected. If you're looking for more activities
with my colleagues on YouTube, visit us at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com. See you later.